In this video we are going to learn how to upload material certifications and inspection reports to orders. So if we go back to our sample machine part, we see that work order 146 is ready to ship, it's in the shipping sale. Now if I go to the order 146, so it's right here, we're going to edit, I'm going to go ahead and select an inspection report is required, a material cert is required, the certificate of compliance is generated automatically upon shipping. So this applies to these two items. We'll go ahead and select that as well. We'll save the order. So now these are required in order to print the paperwork. We're going to go back to this part here and we're going to ship work order 146. So we'll scan into the work order. Wanna ship one piece. So there it went. Now we're going to go to print the pack slip and here it is. So click this. We'll type in our UPS tracking number. Just put a random number there. Now you notice there's no button for print pack slip. And see how it is saying missing packing or missing paperwork. It's missing the material cert and it's missing the inspection report. So I can't get past the screen. So we'll go back to that part. Work order 146 and what we want to do is upload the material, inspect the material certification and the inspection reports. So we'll click on orders. And this is the order 146, this second line. And right here where it says certification, inspection and packing slips, we are going to click that. And this gives us the option to upload to work order 146. You notice that there. So we'll choose our material cert. We'll upload that. We'll choose our inspection report. We'll upload that. And then we'll click upload. Now you notice that they're here. So I click on them and view them. You can also remove them. Now since the material cert is not in place, it wouldn't ship. So I'm gonna put the material cert back in place. We'll upload. So now they're both there. You'll also notice that under the quality directory there is the inspection report and under Certs there is the work order number followed by the cert for that. Now if we go back to printing our packing slips, we'll see that now we can print. So again our tracking number. And we will print the pack slip. Now you notice that since the certificate of conformance was checked and because the material cert and inspection report was checked, now when we print the packing slip, and then we print the certificate of conformance, we see that it creates that automatically on the fly. Then for the sample machine part, we are going to click the material certification so that can print. And there is the inspection report that can print. And when we ship this and we do the advanced shipping notice, you notice that it attaches the certificate of conformance, the material cert, and the inspection report to the advanced shipping notice, giving the customer an electronic copy of all of this documentation. And that's how we upload the material certifications and inspection reports so that an order can ship.